In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Temu affiliate marketing program to make a whole lot of money. You know, right now Temu is buzzing, and if you're not jumping on this wagon, I wonder what wagon you're on. So this is what you do. If you don't know how to create a Temu account, just simply just open in a private window and just type in Temu affiliate program. And this will open, and when it opens up like this, click on the first, not that one, scroll down, this one, Temu affiliate program Temu. Click on that. It's going to take you here. And then all you need to do is just click on get started. Click on get started, and it's going to ask you to, this is for cookie. All right. Cookie policy. It's going to ask you to sign up with your credentials. I mean, your email or create a new account, or you just use Gmail, either of them. Phone number or email. Continue. And it's quite simple. Very simple. Let me walk you through it again. Go on Google, type on Temu affiliate program. Scroll down to the second link that says affiliate program Temu. Click on that, takes you here, and then you click on get started and it brings you here. You put in your email, or you could sign up with Gmail or Facebook or Apple ID. This makes it faster. Assuming you've done this, if you want to get more video or more information on that, watch the video that pops on your screen. That video will explain every detail. And assuming you've done that and you've found yourself here, these are several products on Temu that we can take advantage. But the question is, which product can we or do we want to sell? We simply can't sell anything. For example, I'm currently selling a camera, a CCTV camera at the moment. What I can simply do is use this camera and try to sell it. So simple, look at how much this price this camera is going for, how much I will make, about 1,000 naira if I sell this. Let's look at our calculator and then click type and see how many sales we need to make about 100,000 naira. So we make 19,000 naira. No, you know the answer. Just wait. Okay, 19,000 naira and multiplied by, let's say, 10. We've made about 190,000 naira. So with promoting this particular product, we can make 119,000 naira. So scroll down and here they have another of this product, and this product is for 80,000 naira, and we're making about 24,000 naira as commission. It's quite simple. All we do is do the same calculation to find out how much we're making. I like doing these calculations to give me a clearer perspective of what I'm going to make. This will help motivate me in the next step I'll be showing you, or should motivate you in the next step to be taken. Let's say this is how much it is. All right. Multiply this by 10, and you would have made about 241,000 naira. It means that for you to effectively make 241,000, you need to sell 10 of this product. It could be per day, per 2 days, or per week. If you make this per week, it's not a terrible thing. Let's multiply this times 4, you're probably making about 1 million. If you sell this product, you can sell 10 every single week, meaning that 1 million is store for you. So you see why it's good and sweet. But that's not where it's going to stop. Understanding the product and seeing the commission is not where it's going to end. Let's see further. Let's close this. Next thing you do is just simply click on share. Right? Click on share. When you click on share, not right click, just click on share itself. It's going to bring you here. When it bring you here, you copy this link. When you copy this link is your affiliate link. Right? You come on this three box, click on this three box, and let's open it in a private window. We can copy this, paste this link here, and paste this link here, wait for it a bit, and it's going to do this. It's going to bring us here, and it brings us to this camera. This is the camera. You see it here. You see the difference between where we were and here. Here is the customer's end, what the customer would see, which is this. Okay. Now, if you are logging here as a customer and you buy this, the owner of this link would make money. So if a purchase is made, maybe from here, what it means is that I would have made a commission on this product here. So what I simply would do, or the smart thing to do if I were you, is all of these products that are solar, the solar, what's it called? The solar CCTV. Or if I were you, I just come here, copy all the links, copy this link, copy this link, copy this link, and show more, and copy at least like 5 links. Okay, if you see up to 5 of different variations. So once you're done with that, it is simple. You simply do this. Go to your sales page or go to your website, open a sales page. Now, for example, let me open a notepad to copy the links I have copied or I want to copy. Open a notepad. All right, so this is notepad. So first link I paste it here, which is I'm not sure which of them again, but I think is this one. Okay, then we could come in, take the link of this one, copy it, right, and go to the notepad, paste it, and then close this. Okay, about 5 of them of different variations. This is I think the same variation. Let's scroll up. This is a different variation. Copy, then paste and close. And let's look for another one. This no, I don't like that one. Also look at the commission. Make sure you're not selling something small. This is for me is one of the killer because you make about 24,000 naira there, but no problem. Let's look for something else. This looks different. This also look different, but this you make about 10,000 naira. Nah, don't want that. Want something a bit more expensive. All right, good. This looks cool. You make 23,000 naira. So copy, share, copy, and then paste here. Please follow this step. Watch this video step by step. This is one way you can make a whole lot of money using an existing platform. Okay, let's look for another one that has good profits because that's what we're about. We're not here to play. We're here to make money. So let's look for another one. Okay, so this is another one. It's 20,000 naira. So I've not seen it yet, but I think it's saying the same thing. So about 33, but 336 sold. Click on share, copy this. Now, where is our link? Okay, notepad. Good. So we'll have 5 of them, right? Good. These are the 5 of them. This is the one I copied next. Okay. All right. So what we do now is simple. We just click on this, okay, and just copy this image. Save the image. Save image as. Okay. So we can't save the image like this because it's showing web. So we'll do 2 things. One of the things you can do is simply put in an extension .jpg, okay, and see if that will work. Now, if we put in .apg, open the file and it does not work, it means that extension does not work for this particular. It worked, so we can use this. Okay, so close this and then go back to the page where we were and open this one too. So go to open another page, come back here, click on this one, another page, come back here, look for another one, the one, I think this one, we also collected this one. So great. So just have some of the images open down. All right, so just wait for it to open up and then do your thing. Wait for it. The products are yet to open. So what we're trying to do is item is sold out. Okay, some of them are sold out, no problem. See, the good thing about this is that this product they have different variations. One link will take you here, will take you here and show you several. So whatever sale that is made here, all right, you make a commission from whatever sale that is made here. Okay, but what I usually like doing is, okay, so let's go back and open. There's one I saw that I like. Let's open this one. Make sure we're on our affiliate. Great. Okay, let's open this one. Let's open this one. Wait for it to load. Do its thing. Okay. All right. So we'll come here. Okay. Click on share. Click on copy deep link. This is for apps. All right. So I want to show you how to save the images. You can save the images here. If you click on copy, you will have copied all of this to use for your ad, your marketing. Okay. Or for your sales page. So you can simply come here, copy here, and go to your sales page. And then I'm trying to use what we used before. So I can just come here and just say the ultimate the ultimate CCTV, not 3-1 CCTV or solar CCTV camera, solar CCTV camera. Okay, camera. The next thing we'll do now is change this image here. And then the good thing about this one, you don't really need to say a lot of things. Okay, let's click on choose, click on upload, click on select, click on the image, open. All right, and that's opened. Click on select, and then you have the image here. All right, then you could simply edit here, and The whole of those things will copy there from the put them here. See, this looks really nice. Just to make it a bit nice, we'll come here and edit, make here look a bit nicer. Okay, and put in some space in between this text. I don't like how everything's all jammed up. Okay, so we could simply just come here and come on the text here and okay, so this is why it's jammed up because we pasted this on the header. Let's go back, click on plus, click on text editor, drag the text editor up here, and then paste it. You see it's better now, looking better now. Let's delete this. We don't need this. It's terrible. All right, delete that. All right, so this is what we need to do. Just make this a bit nicer or look bold. So come on style. When you're on style, you then come here, typography, and then you increase the size a bit. Increase the size a bit. All right, good. Then increase the width of the text. All right, so I like this. This looks good. Then we could change the color to pure black if we want that because it's not looking very black to me. It's black here, fine. Then once we're done, we'll go on advanced and then we simply come on padding and just do say 40. All right, so you see there's a link here and this link says Temu. Now, if I want to further do this, let me show you something. Let's go back to the product. This is the product we picked. There's a product here. All right, 80,000 naira. I'll go on the link. Let's see the name of the product. Let's see it well. Paste it here. So you see, this is the product here, 80,000 naira. 2-in-1 solar powered 1080p Wi-Fi security. If I go back here, say the same thing. 2-in-1 solar powered 10. So this is the particular product and 80,000 naira. So if you come back to your sales page, so two things you can do. First of all, let's put in some space in this text. Again, I don't like how it's looking so jammed up. So pick it down a bit. Put this down a bit. Okay. So coupon Temu. All right, great. So what we can do is that we can mask this link so it doesn't show Temu. Even if when they go on it takes them to Temu. All right, we can remax it. How you do that? You go to a website called URL. Just look for URL shortener. Any website will do. I don't want to limit you. URL shortener. Click enter, and it's going to take you here. Pick any of these ones. Tiny URL, Bitly, but I use Bitly, so click on it. The Bitly would then click on Bitly. Now with this, you can put in that link and then have another link on your sales page. That's how that link works. This is how link shortener is. They mask your link. So for example, you have a link, this is the link the affiliate platform gave you. You then bring it here to a shortener, and then shortener gives you another link. With this link, this link will still take you, when some people come here, this link will still take you here. All right, but you just mask it and you can track what happens here. You can track how many visitors you have, how many interactions that happen with that link. All right, so it's just simply sign up for free. It's for free. They have paid versions, but you don't need the paid version. You can just simply sign up for free. They also help you to generate barcode, QR codes. Okay, but let's go on. This tutorial is not for Bitly. You can come on here. Once you change that link, you now put in the changed link here. Now it's time to now make this a bit more juicy. Meaning you take the name of the product you're trying to, this product, you take the name and then go on DeepSeek, copy it. All right. Then go on DeepSeek and seek deeper. All right. Okay. So go on DeepSeek and say, okay. So they're telling me to wait. They're trying to verify me. Okay. This is taking forever. So you go on DeepSeek and then you ask DeepSeek to give you more features of this product. You put in the name. And when it gives you a lot of features, those features are the features you will now be putting in. You can also ask, please give me frequently asked questions about this product. I'm gonna give you frequently asked product and questions about this product. Then also make sure you put in the buttons. So click on plus. If you don't know how a sales page work, watch the video that pops in your screen. It can show you how to create a sales page. So you take a button, put in the button here. And then in this button, you put in the link, your affiliate link, your Temu affiliate link. Right? Where is it? Come here. All right, this is it. You put in this link, copy it. Okay. Then you go on this link, click here. Okay, and this put the link here, right? And you can say get the 20% off. Okay, and then dial, take it to the center, and you're good. Okay, but this is small, so click on typography. I've explained all of this process in a video that you can watch that pops in your screen. That's why I'm moving very fast with this. I don't want the video too long. Okay, you could do this, all that, do this, and also you could put the price if you want to here, but the price is already here. Okay, just have this, and once you are done, click on publish. When people come here, they click on this, okay, and then they go and purchase. Now, how do you now make money from this? How do you now promote this? There are several things you can do, and I'm going to tell them to you now. One of the ways you can promote this is by using TikTok. TikTok is one beautiful platform to use, sell platform product like this, because there are a lot of TikTok videos that sell products. All right, you go to TikTok nowadays to check for product reviews and whatnot. So if you have a TikTok account that has qualified for a TikTok shop, then good. You take this product and jump on TikTok and make an ad with it. But if you don't have a product, I mean a TikTok account that's qualified for a TikTok shop, meaning you're probably in countries like Nigeria that a TikTok shop is not allowed at the moment, you will not be able to do what I'm about to tell you. But if you have that, then you can do this. But if you don't have it, you can simply buy. If you don't know if you want to buy a TikTok shop account, let me know in the comment section and I'll help you get one. You could buy a TikTok shop account. All right. So when you have this, you can simply put your link on the product immediately you are done running your ads. When you run ads or promotion of a video, you could take the promotion that's online. There are many promotions out there online. Use the video, run the video on TikTok. Now, when you get people come to want to purchase the item, you just see the link of this product. They see it on the comment section or they see it on the description. Although those links are not clickable. But then you can put the link on your bio if you have up to 1,000 subscribers. Meaning if you own a TikTok shop, you obviously that account will come 1,000 plus followers or subscribers. You just simply take the link and put it on your bio. When the video you're going to post, you're going to say that, guys, go to my bio to get this link, to get this product. You click on your bio, you click on the link, it takes them here. You can take them here or it takes them straight to Temu. However you want to do it, you will still make money. All Temu wants you to do is drive traffic. Drive traffic. The good thing about Temu is that when people come on here and they don't buy immediately, they leave and come back, you have like about a 30-day cookie. That 30-day cookie meaning if you come back and buy, you close this page, you come back and buy something else. Even if the thing is not this camera, anything else, I still make my commission. So this is how you set up and proceed with Temu. In the coming days to come, I'm also going to do other more detailed videos on how to optimize Temu affiliate marketing, but this is just how to get it done. We're making another video later on how to use Facebook ads to promote your Temu products so that you make money quickly. If you like videos like this or you got value from this, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button to get notified when I drop videos like this. And also do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions at all, or maybe something you would like to see or kind of videos you'd like to see moving forward. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next one.